Hi guys, it's Mary. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do another Nadine West try-on. I'm really excited for this one because I get to show you the process of how to actually send something back. A couple of things that they sent me this month didn't work. The reason wasn't style though, it was sizing. To me this is really exciting because I think that they've done a spectacular job up until now of picking out items for me to wear. This item isn't one of the things they sent me. You guys have seen me wear this before. I'm just starting out in my regular clothes. It's at the end of the day. I don't look very good. I am hot. As you can probably tell, my makeup needs to be retouched, but guess what? We're not here to talk about my makeup today, so it doesn't really matter, does it? No, it doesn't. 2 items need to go back, and this will show us the process of how you do that for real instead of me just telling you. Are you guys excited to do that with me? I hope so. If you guys want me to show you in the next one how it actually comes shipped, then let me know and I'll show you that. But it's really cool how they get all of this stuff in here, just in this. Inside are the items they send you, the slip that says, hi, your name, which in case you guys didn't know, my name is Glitzy. And then it will tell you the items that are inside, what their prices are, and what the box totals. So this one totaled $134.94. They sent me a pair of earrings, which we'll talk about in a second, a really pretty bracelet, and a necklace I'll show you in just a sec. Then you also get one of these slips so that if you don't like something and it needs to go back, you can put it back in this thing because you'll be very careful when you open it. You can put it back in this with this shipping label and it will go back. In doing that, you don't have to pay for the items that you didn't like, and that comes off of the total then. Now, you'll notice that over here on this side, it has instructions and it will tell you, insert the fashion items in the package, and right down here, unused labels by, and then it'll have the date, cannot be returned. So it's kind of crucial that as soon as you get your package, you open it up, try on the things, make sure that you like everything that you got, and if not, send it back before the postage is not any good anymore. Otherwise, you'll either be stuck with them or you'll be paying to send it back your own self. In this box again, I got 3 shirts, a necklace, earrings, and a bracelet. For those who are watching this with me the first time, I want to tell you that I requested in my profile, and you will too when you sign up, what I do and don't like, what I do and don't want to see. And one of the things that I said was I did not want to see any bottoms. I've got jeans, leggings, and that's pretty much what I'm going to wear. I'm not going to change from that. I don't wear dresses. I don't wear skirts. I'm not going to wear shorts. So I don't really need that. What I am interested in is trendy shirts that are 1X and will look good with a back brace either over or under it, because I spend a lot of time in a back brace. So those are the things that are important to me. And having said that, now let's go ahead with the put on the items and try them on. First shirt is called Crisscross and it's black, as you can see. It costs $27.49. It's 95% rayon, 5% spandex. And I absolutely love this. I love the way the 95% rayon, 5% spandex fits. It hangs really nice. It's stretchy. And I can actually get by with a large or an extra large instead of a 1X in this kind of material. I love this thing. It's my favorite one in the box. What do you think? The next one is called Daisy, and as you can see, she's navy and polka dot. She's 100% polyester and sells for $22.99. I love this shirt, I really do, and I would keep this shirt, except for she's really tight around the elbows. So even though I do really like this, it's gonna go back. The last shirt is called Mallory, and she's a salmon color. They say she is pink on this sheet, but to me it's more of a salmon color. She's 55% polyester, 45% rayon, and 5% spandex. And I would normally love this, except it's in the wrong size. I think the style of it is really cute, and I would really like to keep it, but I can't. She just absolutely looks vulgar on me because it's a large and I need an extra large minimum, ideally a 1X. So She sells for $15.99, and I wish I could keep her, but she's gonna go back. Now let's talk about the jewelry. So these are like a cross between a wire and a threader, which you guys know I sell lots of threaders on my website. Let me show you. These are called druzy links, and the druzy is in a very pale blue, and they sell for $28.99. So there's the druzy in the middle. Then they have this chain before it comes up to this link. They're calling it a link. I call it a wire. And then the threader is on the back. You basically just thread these through like you would any threader and hold on to this. As you come to this part, the wire is going to come through your ear. So you might want to look in the mirror. And then it hangs like this. So they're really pretty. It sort of eliminates that problem that a lot of threaders have for people, especially with long hair, in losing them because the wire prevents them from sliding in and out of your ear. Then this bracelet, which I really like, it's all one piece. So it's not a bunch of bracelets that's going to, like, see, they're all attached. So it's not like they're going to slide all over your arm. It sells for $14.99 and it's called Infinite Strands. I really like it. Then we have the necklace, and it's called Earth Pendulum in turquoise. And I would wear that with the black shirt. It sells for $28.99, and it's a longer necklace. Okay, as you can see, I folded those up very nice and neat inside there. And then I'm just going to fold this over, tape it shut, put the postage label on it, and stick it in the mailbox. That was really easy, and I didn't have to go out shopping. For this to be the most effective, feedback is important. So log in at NadineWest.com, go to your profile, and then you want to come in and click on See Shipment History. You click here, and then the shipment that, you know, just went out was this last one. And so I'm going to click on it. And then we leave the feedback here. And we can also rate stuff, okay, which I need to really be doing. So I want to rate this because I love it. And I'm going to tell them how much I love it. We'll put all this in here, and then we will save the feedback. That lets them know what they can do better. And now I'm going to put the 2 shirts in the bag, put the label on it, and send it back. I hope you guys enjoyed that and that you found it useful. Please give me a big thumbs up. You are the best part of the Fritzy family, and without you, none of this would be possible. So thank you. I am so grateful for everything, for your comments, your likes, the love that you share with me, and the opportunities that I get because of you. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. If you're not having a blessed day, I would love it if you would go out and be a blessing to somebody else. And until next time, love you, see ya, bye, and I'm out.
Hi guys, it's Mary. Welcome back to another Nadine West try-on. I'm really excited for this one because things didn't work out. No. Most people wouldn't be excited about that, huh? 2 of these things was something I hated. No, I didn't hate it. I never hate anything that comes to me from Nadine West. She looks vulgar with a brow. Unpredictable. It's not a bra, it's a paw. They like paw you. I don't, whatever.